slide pass. Leaders going back in their left foot, follows swinging their booty back and then walking forward on the right. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and boom, tap, boom, and tap, boom, and tap. We then talked about leaders. If you do a little preparatory motion, it will open her hip. In, out, triple step, triple go. We then talked about you can do that preparatory motion after me closing it up. So right after 3, you're going to slide in, putting your foot in there for 4. 1, 2, slide, and then slide your foot in for 4. Continue that momentum spinning around. Boom. Then we're bringing her forward for a little step, step. Boom, prep to spin around, triple step. That whole last piece looks like this. 1, 2, triple step, triple prep, triple step, triple step. All 3 moves back to back. Goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. I'm DJ JohnPaul. This has been the lovely Allie. Thank you very much, Roundup Nightclub. Grab your partner. Let's do one song to practice. Rotate. Rotate.